I want you to lay down over this way. Your head's going to hang over this way, and your feet's going to hang over that way. Head's going to hang over. Don't move. Don't move. Now, Superman has one thing that you do not have. Do you know what that is? What? Cape. No. He's got something on his chest and on his cape that makes it all possible. Guys. Hold still, hold still, hold still. Look at Arena right there. You should be scared. Hold on. Superman isn't scared of your hand. Hop up here. Step right down in the chair, all the way down to the ground. Let's give him a big round of applause, guys. Come on. That's not half bad. Now, you didn't get to see that, did you? Well, let me tell you what happened.